are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword while. Welcome to our Python programming series, where today we're diving into one of the fundamental aspects of creating loops, the while keyword. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this video will illuminate the power and simplicity of while in Python. The while keyword in Python is used to initiate a while loop, a core programming construct that repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a given condition is true. Think of while as the gatekeeper, continuously checking if the conditions are right for the loop to keep going, or if it's time to move on. Why use while? Its purpose is to handle tasks that require repetition with an unknown number of iterations. From waiting for user input to processing data until a condition is met, while loops are incredibly versatile. In programming, this could translate to reading a file until the end, or prompting a user until they provide valid input. While comes into play in scenarios where the number of iterations isn't predetermined. If you know exactly how many times you want to loop, a for loop might be your go-to. But if you're venturing into the unknown, waiting for a specific condition to change, while is your ally. This makes while especially useful in situations where you need to wait for something to happen, without knowing when it will. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose we want to create a countdown from 10 to blast off. Here, the while loop continues to decrement the countdown variable and print it, stopping once the countdown is no longer greater than 0, leading to our blast off. The while keyword is a powerful tool in Python, enabling programmers to efficiently manage loops based on conditions. By understanding and using while, you can unlock endless possibilities for creating flexible and dynamic code. Thank you for watching. Dive into your next Python adventure with the power of while at your fingertips. Happy coding!